Morning YouTube. Well, today I plan to do another video. Got invited last night over for dinner, so I'm heading to Georgia. So bear with me, sit back, relax, enjoy the journey, and see what Atlanta have to offer to us today. I go on YouTube, so we're there, in the A, we call it the big A, Atlanta. Here with my best friend, invite me over for dinner today, as I tell you earlier. So I come catch her at the right time as I walk in the kitchen, cooking up a storm. Old school style, Jamaican style, island style, cook with love. So I'm introduced to my best friend Lisa, Miss Lee. What about Miss Lee? You there?
There.
See you start up a thing already. So what you cook for today?
Rice and peas.
You cook rice and peas.
Some steamed fish.
Steamed fish. Wow. My favorite that
Oh, you know, so you don't know me, I do a tutorial on that here.
Oh, so you know that now? She said she have a teacher today how to cook steamed fish, PR style. So you know, school in session. So I guess what? Am I the sous chef today?
It seems so.
Not to see you, but what?
Tell her.
Alright, be cooking now.
Fish. Yeah. We are Jamaicans, not no fake ones. Different color clocks like the aliens in a space jam. Everywhere I go, me represent my island. Me a one Jamaican from Columbus to Shih Island. Me and my real friends link up on the weekends. Play ball round a land. One love take your side off. Skins for shirts, that was the face off. Every Saturday was a kicker. We jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love ya. We jamming. In the island of Jamaica. We jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love ya. We jamming. In the island of Jamaica. We jamming.
So to prep for the steamed fish, we're going to cut up all our vegetables, and these are the vegetables that I use: okra, carrots, onion, potato, bell pepper. I use a color one, and pumpkin. What else are they about? And garlic, thyme, scallion, and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep for these. And the type of fish we're going to be using is, we'll call it grouper. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and season the fish. For everyone tasting or liking, I would say they can season it to how they like it. You understand? For me, I use a complete seasoning, some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and look at All Purpose Jamaican seasoning. I'm lightly kind of just season it up. Majority of the season is going to come from the natural herbs and spice. This is well seasoned, the head, everything, because you know. So I put a little olive oil in the pot and some butter. saute vegetable. I do like to put my pepper in the oil so it can kind of infuse it. A little vegetable kind of put on top. Some at the bottom. I'm going to put all the pumpkin because they take the longest to cook. Some pumpkin steamed fish. Some tomatoes. On this we're gonna add some water. I already had some water in the kettle. Oh, one more thing I forgot. Some pumpkin noodle. I always put a little pumpkin noodle in there. It kind of ump up the flavor. I'm gonna sieve it. Because I don't want the little noodles all over the fish. Gonna do a little bit. You can omit this if you don't want to use it, but it gives it a nice flavor. And again, remember, save some of the seasoning to go on top. I haven't put in my thyme yet. To me, thyme is kind of a key thing in steamed fish. Thyme and scallions. So this is your finished product. Some steamed fish, rice and peas, and some veg. Bon appetit!
See people, typical Sunday.
Looks like it was concealing something.
Meal look delicious. We have a pumpkin stout, and as I tell you, I'm gonna put a video up how to make the pumpkin stout. Give thanks to Sister Lee, man. I tell you, if you invite me to the cause, you know, this is how she do it in Georgia. So guess what? You know, before we eat, we have to give the man above thanks, you know? So we have to make him know so we appreciate and love the things that he has done for us. Heavenly Father, we come to you with thanks and praises. Thank you for this meal. Thank you for the hands that have made it. And thank you for providing. In Jesus' name, amen. Well, you two, you don't know, you know. At that time, shell down time. So guess what? Until next time.
Fish. Yeah. We are Jamaicans, not no fake ones. Different color clocks like the aliens in a space jam. Everywhere I go, me represent my island. Me a one Jamaican from Columbus to Stretch Island. Me and my real friends link up on the weekends. Play ball round a land up. One love take your side off. Skins for shirts, that was a face off. Every Saturday was a kicker. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love ya. We jamming, we jamming.